Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Talha.MD.Amin. Respected Principal Sir, Honorable Chief Guest, teachers and my dear brothers and sisters. Today I am here to deliver a short speech. The topic of my speech is Message of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam last sermon. Let me start by giving you some background information. So during the 10th year of Hijjah, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam left to perform the annual pilgrimage along with thousands of followers, led by Abu Bakr. On 9th day of Dhul-Hijjah, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mounted his camel and delivered his historical sermon at the Mount of Mercy. In order to address a people, one of the Prophet's companions repeated his exact words in a loud voice. This sermon was delivered on 9th day of Dhul-Hijjah on 10 AH in the Rona valley of Mount Arafat in Mecca. It was also occasion the annual rites of Hajj. It was also known as the farewell pilgrimage, mankind and for all generations. For this, he also did by saying a phrase that is all people but not all Muslims or all believers. So this means that he wanted the people present at the sermon to deliver his words to others. Thank you for listening to me with a full affection.